Hello, good morning everybody. So today we are discussing English literature of class 6. We are discussing English literature of class 6. So we had been continuously studying the lesson Abraham Lincoln. Okay, we had been completely studying the lesson Abraham Lincoln. So today we will continue from here. So see to your book. From our schoolhouse of round logs and split log benches with Webster's Elementary Spelling Book as the only textbook, Abraham Lincoln began his journey in search of knowledge in the Pigeon Creek settlement. Books, slates, pens, ink or paper were luxuries. Okay. So here we have from a schoolhouse of round logs. It means, listen carefully, from school to house and round logs. He also was working with his father as a carpenter with the logs, means with the big woods, big लकड़ी के साथ वो काम कर रहे थे. स्कूल जाते थे, स्कूल से हाउस, देन राउंड लॉग्स विद द लॉग्स और विद द वुड एंड स्प्लिट लॉग बेंचेस. ही ऑल्सो स्प्लिट मीन्स ही ऑल्सो कट बिग वुड्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्स. देन with Webster's Elementary Spelling Book as the only textbook. He also had a spelling book, that was Webster's Elementary Spelling Book, and it was the only book that he had. Then Abraham Lincoln began his journey in search of knowledge. So he started his journey to get knowledge. He began to search of knowledge, look for knowledge. He began to look for knowledge in the Pigeon Creek settlement, means where they were staying. Pigeon Creek settlement, they were staying. Their house was there. Books, slates, pens, ink or paper were luxuries. So he did not have books, he did not have slates, he didn't have pens, he didn't even have ink or paper were luxuries. He did not have all these things to study, but he had so much interest for studies. Then what happened? By the time Abraham was able to go to school again, he was 17 from 14. Despite the long gap between one period of instruction and the next, Abraham learned to write. So what happened? They were remaining in another place before. So they have shifted to new place, and now Abraham is already 17 years old. In previous place he was 14 years old, and now they have come to new place and he is already 17 years old. And what happened? Time Abraham was able to go to school again, and he was 17 from 14 despite, and he had a long gap between from 14, 15, 16, 17, at least 3 years gap he had, and he was unable to go to school. And whatever he knew, he even like forgetting everything. Period of instruction, and the next Abraham learned to write. After that only, after 17, he again got the chance to learn to write. Then under such tiring circumstances, it would have been only too easy to forget about an education altogether. But Abraham was exceptional in his desire to learn. Every spare moment was spent in some kind of study. He had a copybook that served as a kind of scrapbook of all the passages he had read and liked. He did sums on the fire shovel and broad wooden oar-like instrument whose one end narrowed to a handle. Walking on this wooden shovel by the flickering firelight, he would use his drawing knife, shape the shovel clean when it had been covered with his charcoal writing. Abraham borrowed books as often as he could in order to improve his reading and knowledge. Robinson Crusoe, Aesop's Fable, Pilgrim's Progress, The Life of Washington, and A History of the United States formed the substance of his reading in these years. But it was not reading alone that occupied him. He also worked on his father's farm and assisted neighbors who needed a helping hand. So, under such tiring circumstances, this was not a good situation for him because he was not able to learn, he was not able to go to school. So, the situation was really very bad. It would have been only too easy to forget about an education altogether. It was not possible for him to be educated man, to learn education. It's like we have to forget about education. But Abraham was exceptional in desire to learn. But among these also, Abraham was really a different person. He had so much interest for learning, for studies. Every spare moment was spent in some kind of study. Whenever he used to get time, what he used to do? He used to sit and study something. Then he had a copy. So he was having a copy book that served as a kind of scrapbook of all the passages he read and liked. So wherever he was getting a chance to read, what he used to do? He used to bring that paper and he had that scrapbook. In that scrapbook, he would paste that particular paper and keep there. Then he did sums on the fire shovel. He used to do addition, subtraction, or divide, whatever may be. He used to do some mathematical sums on the fire shovel. Fire shovel means वो जो लकड़ी जलाने के बाद we get वो जो ब्लैक कलर का एक मिलता है, ठीक है, उसी से वो लिखाई करता था, लिख रहा था. The broad wooden oar like instrument whose one end narrowed to a handle. कहाँ पे लिख रहा था? He used to write on the wooden plank. एक लकड़ी के ऊपर वो लिख के प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था. Then walking on the wooden shovel by the flickering firelight, he would use his drawing knife to shape the shovel clean when it had covered with his charcoal writing. तो लकड़ी के ऊपर वो हमेशा लिखता था, तो इसलिए वो जो लकड़ी था वो काला हो जाता था. इट यूज टू बिकम ब्लैक. सो व्हाट ही यूज टू डू, एंड उसको साफ करने के लिए वो अपना नाइफ यूज कर रहे थे, चाकू यूज करके उसको शेप करते थे, मतलब कि रगड़ रगड़ के उसको क्लीन करते थे. देन अब्राहम बोरोड बुक्स एज ऑफन एज ही कुड एंड ही यूज टू बोरो. अपने दोस्तों से, नहीं तो नेबर से वो बुक्स बोरो करके लेकर आता था. देन ही यूज टू स्टडी दैट. व्हाट आर द बुक्स ही स्टडीड टू गेट नॉलेज? व्हाट ही यूज टू स्टडी? रॉबिन्सन क्रूज, एसोप्स फेबल्स, पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस, ये जो किताब का नाम है, द लाइफ ऑफ वाशिंगटन एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स formed the substance of his reading in these years, and all these years he had been studying all these books. But it was not reading alone that occupied him. सिर्फ वो पढ़ाई नहीं करता था, ठीक है. He was not only studying, but he also was working with his father in the farm and assisted neighbors who needed a helping hand. And he also used to help his villagers, his neighbors who were in need of his help. He was studying as well as helping his father in the work, and also he was helping his villagers whenever they needed him. Okay, we will study this one in the next class. So thank you so much.